India take on Serbia in what promises to be a mouth-watering Davis Cup clash in Bangalore. India hopes to make it back into the world elite group, and these hopes rest on stars like Rohan Bopanna, Leander Paes, Somdev Devaraman and Yuki Bhambri. Here's a full report.
Leander Paes, Rohan Bopanna, Yuki Bhambri and Somdev Devaraman. Four of the best tennis stars, and their target is to take India back into the elite group of the Davis Cup. Standing in their path is one of the best teams in the world, Serbia. But the Indian contingent will have to go through some grueling rounds to progress. The Indian campaign starts with the onus on Yuki Bhambri and Somdev to give the side a flying start. However, India's strength lies in the doubles, where Paes and Bopanna will take on Nenad Zimonjic and Ilya Bozolya. India are enjoying home conditions, and needless to say, the team will enjoy few advantages in Bangalore. Playing in their own backyard will certainly aid India.
For our boys, we're playing in our backyard, we're playing in conditions that we are most comfortable with, and we're playing with a very vociferous crowd who's very educated about tennis, who really come out and support us.
While India will be all at home, Serbia will be missing their biggest star, Novak Djokovic, who has chosen to skip the event this time. And yes, the crowd will be a huge factor. They will be there egging Team India to up the ante on the visitors. So it's over to Paes, Somdev, Yuki and Rohan. The ball is now in their court to get it right in Bangalore, so that it's game, set, match, India.
Novak Djokovic not coming to Bangalore for this tie may have evened things up a little bit, but this Serbian outfit still remains extremely strong for the Indian team. All eyes will also be on the doubles match, where Leander and Rohan will partner together after a long time, but on the other side of the net are Zimonjic and Bozolyak, extremely formidable opponents. But this is the Davis Cup. Rankings do not matter. Home support is key. Somdev Devaraman, Rohan, Leander will have to play out of their skins. Somdev perhaps the best match that he has ever played in the Davis Cup to win this one for India. With camera person Shiv Murthy in Bangalore, Shivani Gupta for Headlines Today.
And our correspondent caught up with the Blue Brigade at Bangalore. Let's listen in to what India's Davis Cup team had to say ahead of their tie against Serbia in this candid interview.
Here we are in Bangalore for India versus Serbia Davis Cup World Group playoff tie. It's a very important tie for India to get back into the World Group after 3 years. I have the entire Indian team with me, starting with the captain Anand Amritraj, Leander Paes, Rohan Bopanna, who will be partnering together in the doubles, and of course our singles hope Somdev Devaraman and Yuki Bhambri. Are you feeling the pressure playing the first match? Every match is important, and you're playing the top seed from the other side.
Well, in fact, less pressure going in, with the score still being 0-0. So I can just go out there, play, have fun, and hopefully get the first point for India.
For you, do you think you'll have to pull out something really special, something not seen before in Davis Cup from you to give India that advantage in the singles?
Well, who knows, I just like to think I want to play a good match. I think I've put myself in the best situation to play a good match. The preparation has been great, and so the rest, I don't really like to think about. It's keep it simple, keep it tennis for me, and I feel like if I fight hard and I give myself a chance to win, it's pretty much all I can ask for.
Your influence on the singles and just how the team can look forward to playing in the singles matches is also going to be important. First up, tell us how it's back to be into the Davis Cup outfit.
Well, it's great to be back in the outfit. The team is a good team, a young team, a very happy team, and we all work hard together. So the essence of Davis Cup is camaraderie and teamwork, and that's what I love about this team, is that we have great camaraderie and teamwork. And for me, it's always an honor to play for the country, always an honor to play, for the people, and most importantly, to play for all these teammates that I have. To go out there, and whether it is running around getting them water tomorrow, or getting them towels, or clapping for them, or cheering for them, or even back in the hotel, either playing a little putt-putt with Som and building some camaraderie, or chatting with Rohan about strategy, or talking to the captain about his experiences in doubles. These make special memories in Davis Cup, and that's why I do it still. That's why I love playing the game of tennis, and to be here with such a fun young team keeps me on my toes too.
Leander, of course for the crowds, it would have been great to see Novak Djokovic in action. You interact with him, watch him on the tour. Would have been quite a spectacle to have him here. Of course, for the team, it's perfect that he's not, but for the sport?
It would have been phenomenal for the sport, and also for our two singles players to play against him would have been a real treat, especially playing against him in our own backyard. For the boys to go out there and compete against him and see the way he plays, see the way he prepares, take him on at his own game. Somdev and Novak have similar styles of game. They got offense, they got defense. They both are quick around the court. They're both agile. So that would have been a matchup I would have enjoyed seeing. And also for the youngsters of the country to come and experience a world number one in any sport in your own backyard. That's how the game develops. That's how the game improves and gets a huge boost. So in that context, it would have been fun to have Novak here, but on playing against him, especially when he was playing two singles matches, would have been a real uphill battle. So.
Mentally, were you preparing to battle Novak? Were you like making some plans in your head?
I mean, to be completely honest with you, preparation for me is the same if I'm preparing to play Novak or if I'm preparing to play my mom. So I make sure I try and do my best to beat whoever I'm up against and prepare and not take anybody lightly. So yeah. Nothing against Novak, but my mom's a pretty good tennis player.
The doubles tie, you know, it's going to be very, very tough as well. Bujoliak, as Leander said, is a wild card and he's extremely good player. And Zimonjic, you know, a veteran on the tour as well.
Yes, of course. You know, they're Somdev and me played against them last time we were there in Novi Sad, and you know, they've been playing doubles for Serbia for a while, and they beat the Bryans also last year in the Davis Cup. So they're you know, a force to reckon with. Even though you know, like Leander says, you know, Ilya is a wild card, but I don't see you know, him only as a wild card. I think he's a great you know, player, and he's been playing you know, and he's a player who plays big tennis. You know, so it's going to be tough for us. Both Zimonjic and Bojolak.
Do you start as the favourites in this one?
I think you know, it's a 50-50 tie. You know, I mean, especially for the doubles match as well, because Zimonjic, you know, is a player who has won you know, a lot of Grand Slams, and you know, has been #1 in the world as well. So you know, and he has a lot of experience you know, with the team, and Ilya has been part of a team which has won the world the Davis Cup. So you know, he has, you know, a lot more experiences you know, than me, especially, you know, look in terms of you know, Davis Cup, of you know, playing you know, big matches and everything. So but I'm really interested you know, and looking forward to this tie, and you know, hopefully we can get a win and get that point for India.
Give us your assessment of the chances as they stand right. Percentage, where do you think India stands right now?
Oh, I'm not a gambling man. You need to ask the rest of the team.
I think no one's gambling over here. No one's gambling. We're just ready to
would you say, Som, we start as underdogs firmly, or do you think it's even right now as we start?
Who knows? You know, I think they're definitely a slight favourite, but you know, given the home court conditions and playing in a stadium that you know, everybody's going to be rooting for us, I think we have a good chance.
Yeah, I mean, you know, in Davis Cup format, the best thing is that the rankings go out of the window. You know, we have proved that in the past, that we've beaten, you know, better teams. So even though we're underdogs, I think we just have to go and play our heart out, and, you know, hope to get those 3 points on, you know, by Sunday.